If you're sending messages out to leads, you definitely want it to be coming from a recognizable area code, if not necessarily a number that they already know. Now, number one question we get asked about Texty is, can I use my own cell phone number? The answer is no. And the reason for that is pretty simple. The FCC does not allow individuals and entities to spoof cell phone numbers. That would be considered a number spoof, basically, where we would be sending a text message as though we were you. That's technically illegal, not something we can get around right now. So we can't use your cell phone number, but we can definitely get one that is a recognizable area code. And a thing to keep in mind is that because these are one-way, one-touch messages, doesn't really matter that they should be able to reach back out to you. They'll have whatever information you sent to them. So that's kind of the long and short of the Texty settings portion.